like outcome, mechatronics, machine design, thermal engineering, production engineering, industrial engineering, and safety engineering. Besides them, there are 5 qualified and trained laboratory assistants to assist the members of the teaching staff in the laboratories and workshops. Moreover, the members of the faculty undergo various training and orientation programs to equip their knowledge abreast with the latest developments in the field of mechanical engineering. Club de Mecano, the association of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, formed in the year 2006, plays a vital role in organizing national, international conferences, workshops, and symposiums to gather the young engineering and research scholars under one roof to bring out their innovative skills, to improve and enhance their skills, and to utilize them for the advancement of mechanical engineering and to develop leadership qualities. In connection with this, we are happy to organize this international conference on recent advances in mechanical engineering and interdisciplinary developments, ECMAT 2014, on the 7th and 8th of March 2014. This international conference has a wider scope than the national conference held previously in December 2012. With a huge response from the scholars, 302 papers were selected to be published in the proceedings after peer review process from the 620 papers received. The papers have been categorized into 4 streams of applied materials and mechanics, energy efficient technologies, robotics, and wireless communication and networking. The presentation of articles by research scholars from countries across the world in the conference is the climax of this occasion. Apart from this, industrial visits and guest lectures are being organized by the department as means to make our students familiar with the developing and evolving industrial environment. Our faculty members involved in research and publish research articles in various reputed international journals on the regular basis. The students of our department have secured meritorious ranks in the university examination, including gold medal, and there have been a steady increase in the number of university rank holders every academic year. Apart from university ranks, our students are excellent in studies by getting centum results in the toughest papers in mechanical stream. We outshine other colleges for more than 4 years in this district and maintain the number 1 place in South Tamil Nadu. We motivate our students to get placed in reputed companies by arranging placement programs either through on-campus or off-campus. Around 60% students are placed through on-campus and 20% on off-campus, and the rest pursue as studies every year. Our efficient guidance helps them master themselves in competitive exams too. Besides giving importance to academic performance, the department encourages our students to participate in co-curricular activities and to bring out their hidden talents. As a result, our students bagged 2 important achievements in this academic year 2013-14. A team of final year students obtained the first prize in the International Engineering Exhibition Elecroma 2014 held at Bangalore and got a cash award of rupees 2 lakhs, and another team of final year students got selected for the final round in the design and fabrication of Formula 1 racing car competition conducted by the Society of Automobile Engineers. As an added grace to our department, our students have won several prizes in the state and the national level competitions organized by the government as well as private sectors. Equal importance is also given to sports and cultural events. We, as an innovative team, continue to march forward in tuning the budding engineers into confident professionals so as to serve as indispensable assets to the organization they choose to work with. We are happy to continue this venture. With the capable and competent guidance of the chairman, the principal, and the director, all arrangements have been carried out for the successful and effective functioning of the department. I express my sincere thanks to our beloved chairman, Sri Pon Robert Singh, for rendering his support in all aspects to make this conference a grand success. Once again, I thank all of you who are present over here. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.